Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? Here we are running a month behind on something. Imagine Big John running behind on something. I know y'all can't grasp that. But we finna put some minerals out. And put trophy rocks, some rocks with some stock salt out. And I had left over from doing the porch and stuff every time we got snow. I hope being the end of March I don't need any more. If I do, I'll go buy another bag. It's not much left anyway. I used most of it last time. Not even enough to do it again if I had to, but kind of impressed. The food plot, if y'all missed that, y'all need to go back and look. It's still green. The oats are finna go to seed, it looks like. It's got radishes and some of the other stuff still growing real green. I'm gonna leave that in the ground probably till the end of April. Then I'm gonna come out here and try to get it disc up. Try to plant some peas and red clover here, the rifle range, and another spot, just to give the deer something to summer on. Maybe attract a few in here. Peas come up, I'll come pick some, because I'm gonna plant purple hulls and I like eating purple hulls. So deer like eating them too. We finna go down here and put this out, and I'll bring y'all along. I'm not gonna do a part 2 of this video. What I'll do is, if I get pictures of deer using it, I'll just put it on the community page. But just making a salt lick for them, some minerals, something to help them grow some horns, just something to keep them healthy. I've been doing it. I can see down there, it looks like a spot's kind of dug out a little bit where I've been doing it, so probably do it in the same area. I've used a trophy rock before with success. I know they like it. Only problem with it, usually pigs come get it, but I'm not gonna say they won't, but I hadn't seen a pig out here in over a year, so since the freeze we had so bad over a year ago, hadn't seen a pig. But kind of hurts my feelings. But we'll see. I put this trophy rock out, they'll show up and haul it ass through the woods somewhere, we'll know. Then be time to pig hunt again. Alright, I'll bring y'all down there when I start setting up. Alright, just gonna set y'all up, y'all watch what I do. It ain't much to what I do. I've already got the big camera running. You just took another picture of me, I'm sure. There's the game camera. This salt got a little wet, it's a little pumpy. That's good. Rabbits will love it, deer will love it. Hogs if they find it, everything. Supposed to go another couple of days without any rain. Pretty nice. Trophy rock, minerals and salt. I'll read everything back to you here in a minute. This is a trophy rock, all natural mineral supplement for hunting, herd management, and observe to look at them. It's got essential trace minerals, deer magnet, American made, guaranteed, all that. It's got calcium 0.35, to a 0.85, sulfur 0.7, magnesium. It's got everything in it, phosphorus, everything they need. A lot of salt. Some zinc, keep them from getting the COVID. Heard about deer getting the COVID, right? Iodine, it's got everything in it they need to stay alive and grow horns. Feed free choice year round. Rocks range from 7 to 11 pounds. That one's probably closer to 10. Alright. Battery shouldn't have died. Just a second. We'll wrap this video up. Okay, like I say, I'm gonna update this. I hope this looks good. I'm getting the shade a little bit. I'm gonna update this with the community page. I'm not gonna do an update video on it. Every time I get a picture, I just post on the community page, tell you they're eating my salt lick, mineral site, whatever you want to call it. Just something you need to do to help your herd. I mean, you don't have to. I'm just trying to make the herd better. That's all I'm trying to do. Right there where I put it, they've been using it already. Because I dumped a bunch of salt there during the fall, and I put something else there during the fall, and they've been, you know, you can tell they hit it every once in a while. Not all the time, but that's what it's there for when they come through. They get used to it being there, maybe they'll come through and hit it every day. We'll see. Like I say, y'all made it this far in this cringy short little video. Like, share, subscribe. If y'all want more stuff like this, you know, more deer, y'all know it's fishing season. Y'all can hear this wind blowing. The only reason I'm not on lake today, because it'll blow me out of that kayak today. Because it's been, for the last, we've had storm this week. Hell, I was without power for 20 hours yesterday into the day before. Day is Thursday, so Tuesday night into Wednesday at about 4 o'clock before I got my power back on. Wind's been whooping, tornadoes, you know. If you're watching those, East Texas have been getting hammered pretty good here lately. But I'm gonna end it again. Like, share, subscribe, and we're gone. But that's a lie again. But like, if y'all like videos like this, tell me. Let me know. I'll do more of them. I'm gonna try to come open this food plot up a little more. I wish I could afford to get a decent dozer in here, but as it is, I'm gonna have to come down here with a chainsaw and cut a little bit out as I can. Just open it up some. If I can get it twice as wide, I'd be happy. I'm gonna go back in here. This is gonna be the main goal this year. I'm finna go back in here about another 10 foot where I'm not sitting directly on the road. I'm gonna open that up, put my blind in there. And then I might be able to see that field behind me too. Not that I would shoot a deer across a fence without permission. I can get permission to hunt that. More than likely, probably not, but sounds good anyway. I hope y'all been enjoying the fishing videos, the camping videos. There'll probably be more of those. I'll try to be getting more stuff up. I've been kind of slacking. Like, weather's killed it. Life's killed it. Y'all know how it is. Wind's been killing it. Alright, again, like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.